All right, guys, 2007 BMW 335i. He's got a lot of stuff done under the hood from what he was saying, a bigger turbo, different cam setup, or I don't know. Anyway, it's got factory converters up there somewhere. They're hidden under all this heat shield stuff. Then secondary converters there. Then he left the resonator on it there. He didn't want it too loud. And what we did is did a rear muffler delete for him there and there. There's the stock mufflers that were on it, and they come with a valve that you just put it's vacuum initiated, so you just zip tie it away, put a bolt in it to zip tie it away. And then we put some 4-inch tips out the back there and right there, as you guys can see. There she is. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, and now it'll have actually some sound to it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and do everything you do, like subscribing. Oh, you can hear the spirit. I like that. What do you think? Perfect? That sounds good. Sound decibels? Right? Dude, it hit 108. That's great. Wow. BMW 335i. With a muffler. You guys can see how clean it is. He's the second owner of it. Old man had it before. That's nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. BMW 335i with a rear muffler delete. He's got 7 different tunes for this car, and it's 6-speed standard. Oh my god, it sounds like an F1, man. Wow. You can still hear it.